The desert surface is so highly concentrated with minerals, it makes plant growth very difficult. But difficult or not, plants have evolved ingenious ways to thrive. In fact, this land is home to what some believe is the biggest tree in the world. Environmentalist and naturalist Pradeep Krishan searches the desert for this tree.
Deserts are difficult places, not simply because of the lack of water, but sometimes also because of concentrations of minerals like iron or salt, potassium, that make life very difficult. And then we have one plant called the Indrok, which says, what I'm going to do is that because it's so hard for my seed to have a reasonable chance of germinating in this very lime-rich landscape, I'm going to send runners underground and produce new trees which are actually just extensions of me. It's the same tree.
The Indrok is one of the greatest of the desert survivors. Its roots spread out, creating clones of itself. It can create an entire forest of clones, but is ultimately one single living being.
And in the end, you get a superorganism. You get a giant organism. So that when people say, what is the largest organism in the world? It's not the blue whale, it's not the sequoia tree, it's some of these clonal forests, which can be absolutely immense.